Russia is struggling to replenish its stockpiles of missiles but still has enough for more large-scale strikes and is rushing new munitions from the production line into the use in the war, a senior Ukrainian intelligence official said in an interview published on Wednesday. The official General Vadim Skibitsky, Ukraine's deputy intelligence chief, also said that Russia was compensating for its lack of missiles by increasing its use of drones, including those made by Iran, to strike Ukrainian infrastructure, according to comments published by the news outlet RBC Ukraine. Russia's strikes over the weekend could signal a new tactic of using a smaller number of high-precision missiles, especially in frontline areas. Followed hours later by volleys of exploding drones, General Skibitsky said they will combine means to maintain the pace of strikes on our civilian infrastructure facilities. General Skibitsky said that Russia was training to produce enough long-range missiles to launch precision strikes, an account that generally matches public statements from American and British military officials, as well as from independent military analysts. The strikes that Moscow launched on December 31 included 20 cruise missiles, General Skibitsky said, compared with 70 or more missiles it used in mass strikes beginning in October. Moscow is able to produce about 30 X-101 cruise missiles and about 15 to 20 sea-based caliber cruise missiles per month. The general noted, given its current stockpiles, he said, Russia has enough missiles for 2 to 3 major barrages of 80 missiles or more. His estimates could not be independently confirmed, though they roughly match those that he gave to the New York Times in an interview last month. General Skibitsky told RBC Ukraine from the fragments of Russian missiles found recently in Ukraine bore markings indicating that they were manufactured in 2022, especially in the third quarter. He said that this means that they may immediately go to the army from production. Russia's increased use of the slow-moving Iranian drones has produced mixed results. Ukraine has become increasingly adept at shooting down the drones, downing all of more than 80 fired its way over the New Year's weekend, according to the Ukrainian Air Force. But many have caused damage, and over time, experts say that drones could pose a severe challenge for Ukraine, in no small part because the weapons it uses to shoot down drones cost much more than the drones themselves. Ukraine estimates that Russia has used about 660 Iranian-made Shahed drones so far in the war. Moscow had a contract with Iran for a total of 1,750. General Skibitsky said, adding that a new batch of perhaps as many as 300 drones was now arriving as part of that contract. American officials have said that they are aware of reports that Russia and Iran are trying to set up a joint production facility for drones in Russia. General Skibitsky said that Russia's goal is to use swarms of drones in such large numbers that they overwhelm Ukraine's air defenses, allowing some to get through to their targets. In the recent attacks, he added, so many drones were fired that Ukraine's National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile Systems, advanced air defense systems produced by the United States and Norway, had to be reloaded with missiles while the raids were ongoing, the first time that has happened in the war. He said that if there are a very large number of drones in a particular direction, then they can simply break through the air defense system in that area. In this way, try to achieve their goal of destroying objects. I am Lovely Montoya of Manila STB.